Information Security. Course title: Information Security Fundamentals. Course description. This course provides an introduction to information security, which is the protection of information from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. Students will learn the principles and best practices of information security, including risk assessment, threat management, access control, cryptography, and security policies and procedures. The course also covers emerging trends in information security, such as cloud security and mobile security. Module 1: Introduction to Information Security. Overview of information security. Information security, also known as cybersecurity or IT security, is the practice of protecting information and information systems from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It involves a range of practices, technologies, and policies that are designed to keep sensitive information secure and protect against cyber threats. Some key concepts and practices involved in information security include: 1. Confidentiality. Confidentiality is the protection of sensitive information from unauthorized access. This involves controlling who has access to sensitive information and ensuring that it is not disclosed to unauthorized parties. 2. Integrity. Integrity is the protection of information from unauthorized modification or deletion. This involves ensuring that information is accurate, complete, and consistent, and that it has not been tampered with or altered. 3. Availability. Availability is the assurance that information and information systems are accessible to authorized users when needed. This involves ensuring that systems are functioning properly and that they are available to users when needed. Overall, information security is an essential aspect of modern business, and organizations must take steps to protect sensitive information and information systems from cyber threats. By implementing effective information security practices, organizations can reduce the risk of a breach and protect against financial, legal, and reputational damage. Principles of information security. There are several principles of information security that guide the development and implementation of effective security measures. These principles help organizations to protect their information and information systems from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. Some of the key principles of information security include: 1. Confidentiality. Confidentiality refers to the protection of sensitive information from unauthorized disclosure. This involves controlling access to sensitive information and ensuring that it is only accessible to authorized users. 2. Integrity. Integrity refers to the protection of information from unauthorized modification or deletion. This involves ensuring that information is accurate, complete, and consistent, and that it has not been tampered with or altered. 3. Availability. Availability refers to the assurance that information and information systems are accessible to authorized users when needed. This involves ensuring that systems are functioning properly and that they are available to users when needed. Overall, these principles guide the development and implementation of effective information security practices, helping organizations to protect their information and information systems from a range of threats. By following these principles, organizations can reduce the risk of a security breach and protect against financial, legal, and reputational damage. Threats and vulnerabilities. Threats and vulnerabilities are two important concepts in information security. A threat refers to any potential danger or harm that can exploit a vulnerability in a system or network. A vulnerability, on the other hand, is a weakness or gap in a system or network that can be exploited by a threat. There are many types of threats and vulnerabilities that organizations must be aware of and protect against. Some common types of threats include: 1. Malware. Malware refers to malicious software, such as viruses, worms, and trojans, that can infect a system and cause damage or steal information. 2. Phishing. Phishing refers to the practice of tricking users into revealing sensitive information, such as passwords and credit card numbers, through fake emails or websites. 3. Denial of service, DOS, attacks. DOS attacks involve overwhelming a system with traffic or requests in order to cause it to crash or become unavailable. 4. Insider threats. Insider threats refer to the potential danger posed by employees, contractors, or other authorized users who may intentionally or unintentionally cause harm to a system or steal sensitive information. Some common types of vulnerabilities that organizations must protect against include: 1. Weak passwords. Weak passwords are a common vulnerability that can be easily exploited by attackers. 2. Outdated software. Outdated software can contain known vulnerabilities that can be exploited by attackers. 3. Misconfigured systems. Misconfigured systems can leave security gaps that attackers can exploit. Overall, understanding and protecting against threats and vulnerabilities is critical to maintaining the security of information and information systems. Organizations must implement a range of security measures, such as firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and employee training programs, to protect against these threats and vulnerabilities and ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their information. Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.